wanted to talk to you today a little bit about emergency water storage. One of the things that we have on standby in case we should ever need it are WaterBOBs. WaterBOBs, don't know where I got the name, is basically a large bladder that you can store water in. We bought a box that has two of them because we have two bathtubs. So inside is a WaterBOB. I have one unfolded and I have it here in the tub. When you have an emergency impending and you have decided that your water may be compromised and you want to have emergency water on hand, you would open up the WaterBOB, place it in your tub, use the hose and the attachment, filling it up, and that way you have water stored on standby if you should need it. We actually store the box behind our bedroom door. If we should need it, my wife and or I would each take one. That's why we have two, place one in each bathtub, and that way it can fill up. They can each fill up rapidly while there's still good, clean water coming out. The worst case, if you don't need it, now you have two WaterBOBs full in your bathtub. Open it up, empty it. So hope that you never need it, but if you do, I do also hope that you have one on standby. If you have any additional questions, feel free to email me at bepreparedsolutions.co, as well as going to the site. We have a lot of solutions for a myriad of topics, including water, emergency water, and other things that you can do to handle emergencies that could impact you and yours. Thank you.